So then after completion of alcohols and phenols, so then next we are going to discuss about ethers. Generally, ethers are the derivatives of alkyl or aryl derivatives of alcohols and ethers. So generally alcohols are denoted with R, it is O, it is H. These are the alcohols. So in alcohols, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl groups or aryl groups. So in alcohols, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl groups. In some cases, alkynyl groups also. Alkynyl groups or aryl groups are substituted by the hydrogen. So the obtained compounds are called ethers. So same as, for example, let us consider phenols. So simple representation of phenols are, so it is C6H5, it is O, it is H, phenols. In phenols also, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group or aryl groups. The obtained derivatives is known as ethers. So generally the general formula of the ethers is ROR. So in ROR, general formula of the ethers, so oxygen with 2 lone pair of electrons. Because oxygen contains 6 valence electrons, already 2 electrons are involved in bond formation. Remaining 4 electrons are considered as 2 lone pair of electrons. So wherein RO, it is R dash, wherein R and R dash are alkyl groups or aryl groups. For example, in these groups, R is equal to R dash. It means R is same to the R dash. So the obtained ethers is called simple ethers. R equal to R dash. It means R is same to the R dash. The obtained ethers is called simple ethers. Or it is symmetric ethers. Symmetric ethers. So for example, if R is different to the R dash, so R is not equal to R dash, so then the obtained ethers is known as mixed ethers. Or these are the unsymmetric ethers. So generally, general formula of the ethers is ROR dash. So in these R and R dash are the alkyl groups or aryl groups. So R is same to the R dash. The obtained ethers is known as simple ethers or symmetric ethers. R is different to the R dash. The obtained ethers is known as mixed ethers or unsymmetric ethers. So then these are the introduction about ethers. So then after completion of the introduction, now nomenclature of the ethers. So according to IUPAC nomenclature, according to IUPAC nomenclature, ethers are denoted with the general formula, that is ROR. For example, it is R, it is the R dash. So it is the alkyl group. It is the alkyl group. Alkyl group with smaller than the R dash. Alkyl group is the smaller alkyl group. Smaller alkyl group with oxygen. Smaller alkyl group with oxygen is considered as, it is the alkoxy. It is the alkoxy. So alkoxy means in the ethers, smaller alkyl group with oxygen. It is O bond. It is called alkoxy. So remaining R dash is considered as parent group. It is the parent group, or it is the parent compound. So generally alkoxy group are denoted with the positions 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. These are the positions of the alcohols group. So then IUPAC nomenclature of the ethers. Ethers general formula is ROR dash. In ethers, smaller alkyl group, neither R nor R dash. Smaller alkyl group with oxygen is considered as alkoxy. So the remaining group is considered as parent group. What is it? Other group is considered as parent group. Based on this situation, to give the names of the ethers, some ethers. So then, for example, compound. It is the compound. It is a common name, compound and common name. Then according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is the IUPAC name of the corresponding ether. So now, for example, number one, the compound is CH3O. It is CH3O. So it is alkyl. Alkyl oxygen alkyl. It is the ether. So CH3 is the methyl. It is also methyl. So two methyl groups are present. So then the common name of the compound is dimethyl. Di means two. Two methyl groups are present in the compound. 1, 2 dimethyl. It is the ether. Dimethyl ether is the common name. So now IUPAC name is, it is methyl group, it is also methyl group. Both are the same groups. So this ether is the simple ether or symmetric ether. So then alkyl with oxygen is called methoxy, and it is the methane. So the IUPAC name of the compound is methoxy. It is the methoxymethane. Methoxymethane is the IUPAC name. So now, for example, let us consider second compound. So it is CH3, CH2, it is O, CH2, CH3. It is the compound. So then CH3, CH2, it is simply C2H5. C2H5 is the one of the alkyl. It is the ethyl. Same as CH2, CH3. It is also C2H5. It is also ethyl. So then two ethyl groups are present in the compound. So 1, 2, it is a diethyl ether. The common name is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. So diethyl ether also one of the simple ether or symmetric ether. So then ethyl with oxygen, alkyl with oxygen is alkoxy. So then it is the alkyl. So it is ethoxyethane. It is the common name is diethyl ether. IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. First two examples are the simple ethers. So now third one is for example it is CH3, it is O, it is CH2, it is CH3. CH3, O, CH2, CH3. So it is the methyl, the alkyl is methyl. It is C2H5, it is the ethyl. C2H5 is the ethyl. So methyl is the smaller alkyl, ethyl is the larger or bigger alkyl group. So smaller alkyl group with oxygen is called methoxy, it is the ethane. So the common name is according to alphabetical order, it is methyl, it is ethyl. So ethyl, methyl, ether. It is the ethyl, methyl, ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether. So IUPAC name is methyl with oxygen, it is methoxy, it is the ethane. So the IUPAC name is methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. It is the IUPAC name of the compound. So then fourth one is, for example, let us consider it is CH3, it is CH2, it is O, it is CH2, CH3. So CH2, CH3 is the C2H5, it is ethyl group. So CH2, CH3 is the C3, it is the H7, C3H7, it is propyl, C3H7 propyl. In these two alkyls, ethyl is the smaller alkyl, propyl is the larger alkyl. So ethyl with oxygen is ethoxy, it is the propane. It is common name. The IUPAC, the common name is the, according to alphabetical order, it is ethyl, it is the propyl. So then it is ethyl, propyl, ether. According to IUPAC nomenclature, ethyl with oxygen, it is the ethoxypropane. It is the ethoxypropane is the IUPAC name of the compound. So these are the simple examples of ethers. So then next compound